In the year of September 2019, there was a company which launched an IPO with a price of 320. The IPO got 110 times subscription, and on the listing day, the same price was jumped from 320 to 626, giving more than 100% return on the first day. That was not the end. After the price jumped from 620 to 5000 plus, even those who did not get an IPO allotment and invested after the listing was sitting with a profit of more than 10 times. What is that company? The company name is IRCTC. Hello friends, this is Subhash Pillai from SP Options. Welcome to my stock analysis. Started in 1999, IRCTC stands for Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Many people think IRCTC is a railway company. No, it's a catering and tourism corporation and it's a subsidiary of Indian Railway. Now, let us see the business structure of IRCTC. The first one is internet ticketing. It's a monopoly business for Indian Railways. This one is international and domestic airlines and hotel booking system. The third one is water packaging units, which is on brand name Realneer for Indian Railways and other government subsidiaries. The final and the main one for the main revenue for IRCTC is catering. Recently, IRCTC share got corrected from its all-time high, that is 5,000 level to 3,000 level due to some domestic news. After the stock split is came, and now the share is trading around 800 to 900 range. Now our biggest question, whether we can enter in the stock or no. For this, let's go for a quick fundamental and technical analysis.
Let's first analyze the quarter-on-quarter result. See, the total income stood at 421 crore compared to 287% up on previous quarter, and EBIT stood at 215 compared to more than 3722% up compared by previous quarter, and PAT is looking quite attractive, is at 158 crore and also up by 385% on quarter-on-quarter basis. In this year, the company has come up with some good revenue rises. See, quarterly the revenue rises to 64% and the net profit rises to 92%, which looks very impressive. In terms of revenue on year, it has got a massive rise of 289%. That is stood at 421 crore. Also, the company reported decent profit of 158 crore compared to 32 crore last year. Let's analyze fundamental and ratios. See, the company has got 65,000 crore market capital, which is quite impressive. EPS stood at 3.71, PC stood at 191.25, PE 221.15, price to book 44.74, and book value 18.34. Compared to the industry ratios, which all looks very attractive. Also, this is one of the debt-free company trading at NSE and BSE. Friends, let's do a quick technical analysis. See, this is daily chart of IRCTC. From its all-time highs, the stock has got corrected significantly to 700 range. Because in short term, for any stock, not for IRCTC, the stock price is driven by market sentiments. But for long term, sure, it was driven by fundamentals. We already checked all the fundamentals. IRCTC fundamental looks very attractive. See, now the price is around 890 levels. If any severe correction happens in Nifty, that is border market, it may touch the level of 840 levels. So, any new investor can enter. If the stock consolidate around 840 levels, then there is a upturn with a good volume candle. So, they can enter at this level. That is the first option. So, your next target will be 950 and 1000 for short term. That means 3 to 6 months. Otherwise, if the stock cannot sustain in this range, so they can expect a down move towards the 783 levels. But as the news concerns, the MSI index already include IRCTC in its India listing. So huge mutual fund that is the FII mutual fund is coming to IRCTC from December. So I don't expect any fall below 840. Also, if the broader market, that is Nifty, is not correcting, we can expect a consolidation around this level, and we can expect a upturn from this level to 1000 level within 3 or 4 months. So anybody can enter the stock in this range and in this range. The stop loss should be 800. Target should be 950 and 1000. Now let's see some news about this company. The first one is IRCTC resumes cooked food supply on trains. We all know the main revenue for this company is catering, so it will increase its revenue for the coming quarter. Also, MSI has included in its India listing, so huge overseas mutual fund pump into IRCTC from December. Also, it has started some boat hotel in Mumbai Central, that also may increase its revenue.
Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel.